The Cinderella Solution Unbiased Review. Getting to look yourself in the mirror and feel devastated with oneself is one common thing that women face. Many people will say that it is quite hard to lose weight, right? You don't have to worry anymore, you just visited the right review. Learn about a program that will help you lose weight, the adamant body weight, and also receive list of spices that will help you through this journey on your way to becoming as flexible as a model. It's all about the Cinderella Solution. All you need to do is to go through my entire review and get to see reveal many secrets that many reviews really mention about weight loss. Furthermore, it will expose you to easy and flexible ways to lose weight. About the Cinderella Solution. This is a series of ebooks in a PDF format that can be downloaded immediately after purchase and can be read on anything from a smartphone to a desktop computer, making them rather convenient to use. Cinderella Solution offers 2 different ways to go through the program, depending on whether you're the sort of person who wants to learn about what you'll be doing before taking action, or whether you're the sort of person who just wants to jump in and get started. The main Cinderella Solution offers 2 different paths, so depending on which route you want, you can read the books in your choice of 2 different orders. Most people will find that the 17-page Quick Start Guide is a good place to start. Despite its relatively short length, it gives you a brief overview of the Cinderella Solution program and tells you what you'll be doing and when to do them. How does it work? The Cinderella Solution is a program specifically designed for women who are in the phase between puberty and menopause. This program concentrates on the ICE dysfunction, which revolves around the idea that there is some imbalance of the insulin hormones. By that, the metabolism is adversely impacted. The program teaches women how they can lengthen their lives just for eating healthy. It gives you a clue on the spice that usually boost metabolism. You will get to know when and which food and drinks to consume in order to maintain optimal weight. It also discusses targeted weight loss and explains the concept of movement sequence and how it is better than the cardio workouts. There is more to it since the program is a pure legit program and T does not scam at all. All you need to do is to buy the guide and learn more about this guide as you get to lose your weight to that what you have always wished for. What do you learn from the Cinderella Solution? There are quite a number of things that you get to learn from this program, some of which include you learn how to eat starch and carbohydrates with maintaining balance, how to target certain areas of the body for targeting weight loss, how a process called movement sequencing works out better than actual cardiovascular exercise. You will get taught on why dessert is actually the best place for weight loss. You will learn when are the right times to eat certain foods to maintain a healthy metabolism. Get to know what time of day is the best time to drink alcohol without worsening the state of the user's weight. Again, you will get some knowledge on the keys to lengthening life for up to 22% longer than the average lifespan. About the author, Carly Donovan. Carly Donovan. The Cinderella Solution is the brainchild of Carly Donovan. The creator describes herself as being a regular woman who was concerned about her failing metabolism and determined to find an answer. One of the reasons behind the success of the Cinderella Solution is that it has not been created by some fitness guru or a nutritionist who has paid a celebrity to endorse the product, but rather, it's a real woman who experienced the same problems that all women go through once they cross 20 and have to deal with a failing metabolism. The only difference between Carly and any other women is that she didn't just accept the failing metabolism and weight gain as the result of a hormonal transition. She took her fate into her own hands and created her own personal Cinderella story. So, are you ready to create yours? Features and benefits. The Cinderella Solution is unique in the sense that it provides solutions for the problems that women face during the hormonal transition. The first major benefit of using the Cinderella Solution is that it's designed specifically for women and takes into account the fact that a woman's body is a lot different than men. Since the weight loss program addresses the issues that are specific to women, you can expect to see better results by following the weight loss program that would not be possible when following a regular weight loss program. Unlike other weight loss programs, the Cinderella Solution does not offer difficult workouts to lose weight or give you false expectations. Instead, The weight loss program has been designed by putting together a combination of fitness steps and diet that have been found to be beneficial for the female body and deals with the negative effects of the hormonal transition. What you are going to get in the Cinderella Solution is a manual, quick start guide, the Cinderella University Permanent Weight Loss Mini Course, a movement sequencing guide, a daily nutrition blueprint, and a video exercise guide. All of the contents in the Cinderella Solution have been designed specifically for the woman's body to ensure you are able to lose weight quickly, safely and in a healthy manner. The main manual has been divided into 4 main parts. Part 1, the program explained. Chapter 1, weight loss from the inside out, where and how to get started. Chapter 2, weight loss rituals, food coupling, flavor pairing, nutrition timing, slim sequencing exercise. Chapter 3, ignite and launch 2-phase approach. Phase 1, the ignite phase. Phase 2, the launch phase. Cycling the ignite and launch phases. Part 2, using your daily nutrition blueprint book. Chapter 4, Cinderella Tools, 14-day calendars, daily meal plans, bonus recipes. Chapter 5, Macros and food pairing rituals, prime proteins, royal fats, power carbs, angel carbs. Chapter 6, meal timing and frequency, ignite, 3 meals daily, launch, 4 meals daily, when to eat. Part 3, D.I.Y meal creator and flavor pairing. Chapter 7, 3-step instruction guide. Chapter 8, ignite and launch meal pairing legends. Chapter 9, portion options. Chapter 10, food and portion blocks. Part 4, top 10 flavor pairs and weight loss combinations. Getting started. The following is a breakdown of the topics that have been covered in the Cinderella Solution weight loss system. Information on weight loss. The main manual will give you all the information you need to know about losing weight. Here, you are also going to learn quite a few weight loss facts that you probably didn't know of before. Nutrition. In the second chapter of the manual you are going to learn more about eating healthy and nutrition timing, flavor, and food pairing and so on. The information that you receive in this chapter is going to make it easier for you to put together your own delicious meals that will help you during the weight loss process. Tools. In this section, you will learn about some awesome tools in the Cinderella Solution that's going to help you with losing weight. This is going to include a daily meals plan, a 14-day calendar, and additional information on recipes. You are going to be surprised about the number of delicious recipes that you can try out while losing weight at the same time. Exercise. This is going to be another important section of the Cinderella Solution that has got to do with exercise. In this section, the creator of this weight loss program talks about the importance of exercise and the various exercises in depth that can be used specifically by women to help them lose weight. Here, you are also going to find out just how important exercise is to lose weight, which makes the tips offered in this section absolutely priceless. Daily Nutrition Plan. The Daily Nutrition Blueprint is the bonus material that you are going to receive once you sign up for the Cinderella Solution. This is basically going to be a 98-page manual that you can use as a resource for creating delicious meal plans that are delicious, healthy and help you lose weight. The best part of using these recipes is that they don't take long to prepare, which is great for working women who are always on the move. How much the program has to cost you. To know the price of a commodity before getting to buy it is one thing that we tend to look into so much. In this portion of my review I'm going to give you direct sure cost of this program. I can assure you that the program is relatively low in terms of price. At only $37 to participate, all of the content is delivered electronically, which means that consumers will be able to start on the regimen as soon as possible, especially with the quick start guide. If the program doesn't help the user to deal with their weight issues, Carly Donovan offers 60 days to relinquish access for a full refund. Does it offer any customer service? Absolutely yeah. It is a weight loss system and therefore it is most likely that you will come across some ups and downs while dealing with this program. May it be how much does the program take to work for you? And many others. However, the good news is, the website gives a lot of details for potential consumers to take in, which can be overwhelming while learning about a new regimen. However, if there are any questions, Consumers can fill out the form on the website. Frequently asked questions: what am I buying? What you are going to get with the Cinderella Solution is a 30-page Cinderella Solution practice guide, 76-page Cinderella Solution main book, and owner's manual, along with a 56-page Cinderella Solution University that will give you more information on your metabolism. Being in an ebook format, this eliminates the charges for shipping. Is the purchase secure? The good news for those who are concerned about the security of their information need to know that all of the purchases are processed through a leading online retailer of digital products who process countless online transactions by using security systems that are similar to that used by your local bank. This ensures the security of your data while purchasing. How long will the Cinderella Solution weight loss program take? The entire weight loss program lasts for 14 days. But you can keep on going depending on your weight loss goals. It is also important to keep in mind that there are many factors that will impact one's ability to gain or lose weight. This means some women might experience weight loss sooner than others. What happens if I don't get the desired results? The great news about using the Cinderella Solution weight loss program is that the creator is confident of its results. This is why all those who use the weight loss program get a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, if you aren't comfortable with your results, you get your money back, no questions asked. Conclusion: this regimen is easy to follow along, and won't force consumers to give up some of the things they love most. Instead, this is one of the few guides that suggests that consumers take on a workout and eating regimen that balances the food at a certain time of day. Furthermore, when someone stops struggling with their weight, and they take control of their own health, then there's no need to pay for medications or surgery to solve it. My article today highly recommend this program for you. It fully works and guarantees you a 100% results. However, the directions and lessons included with the Cinderella Solution will help women take care of this constant problem with just 2 steps to completely change the user's approach. Losing weight is actually simple. What are you waiting for? Purchase the product right away and experience the real life a real deal guide. Pros: once you buy the guide, you will get more books as bonuses and benefits that will fuel your weight loss. The product is not only efficient but also effective. That is all that what it promises, it highly delivers. The guide is relatively cheap compared to other programs in the market. The content offered by this system are well written and in the best quality for one to easily understand. The Cinderella Solution offers you with the best and comprehensive meal plans and best recipes to help you through this process. You are guaranteed to a 60-day money-back guarantee in case you are not satisfied with what the product has to offer. Cons: this is not a magical program. Therefore, it requires you to devote your efforts and time for it to work effective for you. Summary: the Cinderella Solution is a weight loss program for women that aims at helping them to chop off the adamant pounds by speeding up their metabolism and curbing their cravings. It talks about foods that are healthy and the spices that can help a woman in her weight loss journey.